ነውና አዲስ እረኛ ገብታ ያስተኛ ይስተኝ ጽናቱ እንጂ እኔም አልተኛ ስምህ ማን ነው ይላሉ ጥያቄ ያበዛሉ ከየት እንዴት እስከ ዛሬስ ወዴት ነበርክ ይላሉ እኔም እቀጥላለሁ መልስ እሰጣቸዋለሁ ዋናው እኔም መምጣቴ እናንተ መውደዳችሁ ነው
City bitch. Ten 20s and the 50s, bitch. Rack City, bitch. Rack City, bitch. Rack City, bitch.
ሰላም እንደምን አላችሁ ጋይስ? ዛሬ በጣም ለየት ያለ ቀን ነው። አሁን ዋሽንግተን ዲሲ ነው ያለነው። የሃርት ቱ ሃርት ፋውንዴሽን ለ100 ልጆች ብለን እስካሁን በጣም ብዙ ነገሮች እያደረግን ነበረ። የዛ ፕሮጀክታችን መብቂያ ዛሬ ነው። እንግዲህ 100 ልጆች እናንገጭ 100 ልጆች ለማሳከም ሞክረናል በአቅማችን ማለት ነው። በጣም ደስ የሚሉ ፕሮግረሶች አሳይተናል። ቢል ጌትስ ፋውንዴሽን ጆይን አድርጓል። በጣም ብዙ ደጋግ የሆኑ አሜሪካ ውስጥ የሚገኙ ቢዝነሶችም አሉ። እነሱም አንድ ልጅ ሁለት ልጅ እያሉ በተቻላቸው አቅም እያገዙ ነበረ። በጣም የሚገርም ቆይታ ነበረ። ዛሬ እንግዲህ የመጨረሻ መዝጊያችን ነው። ታሪክ የምንሰራበት ቀን ማለት ነው። እንዴ ቴዲ አሳያቸው በእናት ሰራልህ አንተ አልጠበቅከውማ። there you go my brother እንግዲህ this is how it is የሚገርም ቀን ይሆናል። ታሪክ እንሰራለን ዛሬ ጋይስ ጠብቁ። ማርያምን አዶናይ ምን አለ በሉኝ። ታሪክ ሰርተን ነው የምናመሸው ዛሬ። የታባት መተናል። what's going on man what's going on እንግባ አብረን እንግባ። ምን አልቻሉትም እየዞሩ ነው ወደ ኋላ ነጮች። ማን ነው የኔ አባት? እንዴት ነው? thank you ከፊት ለፊት ብትሆን ይሻላል። እንዴት ይከፍተዋል በሩ? እሺ ቤት በኩል ነው የምንሄደው። ኦልራይት ጋይስ አሁን እንግዲህ ገብተናል ወደ ኢቨንቱ የተዘጋጀበት ቦታ ማለት ነው። በጣም ነው የሚያምረው ማሬት በዚህ ደረጃ ውይ ና ምን ወደ ኋላ እየሸሸ ነው ቴዲ? ሲሪየስ ሆነብሽ እንዴ? ደስ ሲል አንተ በኃይለኛ አይደል እንዴ እንትን የሆነው? God damn this is good nice ሃይ እንዴት ናችሁ የኔ እናት? ደህና ነሽ? ሃይ እንዴት ነሽ? thank you hello እንዴት ናችሁ? ወንበር ጨምሪ። አሁን
ሰምተናል። ለምን እዚህ እንዳለን ሰምተናል። አሁን ደግሞ ከአቶ ብርሃን እንሰማለን። ከዛ በፊት and we had 4 people that were generous enough to help other 4 children. So for that I say before I leave, thank you Mr. Burhan for your generosity.
For many of these children, the waiting list for heart surgery can stretch up to 5 years. 5 long years for a child whose tiny heart is already struggling to survive. And during this painful wait, many children never make it to the operating room. Some grow weaker every day. some collapse before help arrives, and some lose their lives before their turn ever comes.
አንድ እናት አንድ ቀን ረጅም ጊዜ ጠፋችና መጣችና ልጄን እንኳን አጣኋት አለች። ወረፋ ብላችሁ ልጄ ሞተችብኝ። ብዙ ህፃናቶች መረዳት አለባቸው።
For families living in remote parts of Ethiopia, the situation is even harder. Many parents must travel hundreds of kilometers just to reach a hospital. But transportation is expensive, roads are difficult, and many families simply cannot make the journey in time to save their child's tiny heart.
ጋይስ አሁን እንግዲህ ኢቨንት ውስጥ ነው ያለነው። ተመልከቱ።
ይሄንን ነገር ማድረግ አለብን ግን እግዚአብሔር የፈቀደው ስራ
እኔ እንኳን ከዶክተር መምህራችን ዘበነን አቋርጬ መናገር አልፈልግም በእውነት ግን ብዙ መናገር መቼም አሁን ጊዜው ስላልሆነ ዝም ብዬ ለአሁኑ ያው 5 ልጆችን ለማሳከም አለማለት
ሌላ My name is Adonai. I am a content creator from Ethiopia with over 5.5 million of clarity and organization, thousands of lives could be saved. After the tour, I met Ato Brahanu. I told him how impressed I was, and he looked at me and said something that I will never forget. We are efficient, we have clarity, and we have purpose, but we need help. Okay, how come? You guys look amazing. You're doing amazing. Everything's clean. He said there are 25,000 people, 25,000 kids. I asked him, waiting for what? He said they are waiting for a chance to live. I went silent. Because 5 years ago, when I was at my lowest, living in a basement in Toronto, no AC, no comfort, just faith. I had a wall that wasn't pretty. So I didn't care. I wrote on it. I wrote my visions, my goals, the man I wanted to become. And on that wall, I wrote one thing that never left my mind. Help 25,000 kids. 5 years ago. Oh my God. It was a breakthrough. In a matter of a second. I want to help 25,000 kids. God was showing me this vision 5 years ago. I mean, I didn't have no money. Less than $10 in my bank account. You know, I was going through so much. How could I have so much faith to believe that I could help 25,000 kids? It had to come from somewhere. So everything clicked in that day. So that's when, I'm actually going to stop reading the speech, to be honest with you. So that's when I noticed, okay, God called me here. I am here for a reason. 25,000 kids I wrote on the wall 5 years ago, and now Ato Berhanu is saying it. God called me here. I am here for a reason. 25,000 kids I wrote on the wall 5 years ago, and now Ato Berhanu is saying it. 25,000 kids need our help. They're waiting. Why 25,000 kids? Why not 26,000 kids? 20,000 kids? Why? That question made me feel something. This is my purpose. I am committed to doing this. I am committed to making this happen. So Ato Berhanu told me, okay, we can sponsor one kid for you. Choose whatever kid you want. I was very happy. Okay, one kid is about to live because of me. Oh my God. I went to my mom, I told her, I'm about to save a kid. Imagine. He has a heart issue. It's something that you don't take easily. It's life. It's a heartbeat. And within a week, a kid named Lu'ul, I saw him on social media. For 6 years, he suffered a heart disease. He could not breathe properly. Imagine sprinting for 5 hours. Imagine how fast you can breathe. He breathes like that the whole day. His lips are dark. His nails are white. You can see that there's no blood flow. So I felt his pain. I also saw his strength because he was feeling so much pain and he was smiling. Can you imagine? He was making jokes. How strong does he have to be? Actually, whatever I'm going through in my life, it doesn't matter anymore. Whatever I think I'm experiencing as a pain, I'm not experiencing no pain. He is experiencing pain. And I can see the strength in his eyes. And you see the name Heart to Heart. He has a heart issue, a physical one. But spiritually, I was going through the same issue as well. And when I chose that it would be him that I sponsor, his dad started crying. This kid even started smiling more. So, okay, I have decided to heal their hearts based on the sponsor that I've got. And also at the same time, I healed my heart. You see how life is a mirror? When you help someone, you're helping yourself. You know, when you're saving other people, you're saving yourself. It might not seem like it, but somewhere it's working out for both. And he was submitted to the hospital on Saturday. In less than a week, he had a surgery. In less than a week, he felt better. In less than a week, he can breathe. In less than a week, he gave me a hug. Oh my God, what a beautiful feeling. I am going to do this. I am going to help those 25,000 people. You know, when we say 25,000 people, it looks like a number, like a math. Imagine what America, Iran, and Israel is going through. If you live in Ethiopia and you hear a missile just dropped in one of those countries, you might be like, oh my God. But you're not going to feel the pain because you haven't heard the sounds, the cries, you know. It's literally the same thing with those 25,000 people. When you hear the number, it's like you're safe, you know. Oh, you care about them, you're kind, but you also have a lot of things to worry about. But once you see that 25,000 in a line, and that line has tears, the mom is crying, the dad is crying, the dad is hopeless. Imagine not being able to help your son when he's going through the most painful journey of his life. You can't afford to pay even for a taxi, let alone help the kid. So when the kid gets sick, the whole family gets sick at the same time, you know. So this is my purpose. This is what I was, born for, and I'm definitely going to help those 25,000 kids. Yeah, definitely. በአማርኛ ምን ይሉታል? በባሌም በቦሌም ይሉታል። በባሌም በቦሌም እንደርስባቸዋለን። አይ ቲንክ ኦልሬዲ በእንግሊዝ ተናግረናል። ይደርሳቸዋል መስማት ያሉባቸው ሰዎች እና በጣም ደስ ብሎኛል ሁላችሁም እዚህ ስለመጣችሁ። ሌላ ሰውን ማገዝ ራሳችሁን ማገዝ ነው። በረከቱ በቀኝም በግራም ይመጣላቸዋል። እመኑኝ። አሁን ለምሳሌ ዲቻ ቦይስ የሚባሉ 3 ልጆች አሉኝ እኔ ማገዛቸው። መጀመሪያ የመሰለኝ ምንድነው በፍርሃት ተሞልቼ ነበረ። ለምን የእግዚአብሔር በረከት አላየሁትም ነበር። ልብ ብላችሁ ካስተዋላችሁ እነሱ 3 ህፃናት ልጆች ኦኬ እንደ ልጄ አድርጌ አሳድጋቸዋለሁ ብዬ ወስኜ ስቀበል መጀመሪያ ፍርሃት ብቻ ነበር የተሰማኝ። ይህ ሁሉ ሰጥቼ እንዴት ነው መሆነው? እኔስ መሬት ላይ በወድቅስ? ግን እግዚአብሔር አየሁት። በር ሲከፍትልኝ የተቆለፈ በር ተውጥና ጣራ ይከፍትልኛል። ኦ ማይ ጋድ እንዴት ብሎ መጣ? yes ሰው ይመጣል የሚያግዘኝ። በምን እናግዝህ? ምን እንርዳ? ምን እናድርግ? የት ነበሩ እነዚህ ሁሉ ሰዎች? ከየት ነው የመጡት? ለካስ እግዚአብሔር ነው በሰው ተመስለው። እግዚአብሔር ራሱ አይወርድም መቼስ። እግዚአብሔር ሁሌም በሰው ነው የሚመጣው። ሰውን ለማገዝ ስትሞክሩ ደግሞ እግዚአብሔር በሰው መልክ ሆኖ እናንተም ያግዛችኋል ማለት ሌላችሁ ፈልጌ ነው። ስለዚህ ቢዝነሳችሁ ላይ በረከት ታገኛላችሁ። እውነቴን ነው የምላችሁ። ምክንያት ይኖራችኋል። ለምንድን ነው በዚህ ወር ሰርቼ ለፍቼ $100,000 መስራት ያለብኝ የሚለው ምክንያታችሁ መሆን ያለበት ግማሿን ወይም ደግሞ ትንጥዬ አጉድዬ ልጆችን ማሳከም ሰዎችን ማዳን ስላለብኝ ነው። ምክንያታችሁ ይህ ከሆነ ማን አባቱ ያወድቃችኋል? ማንም። you're always strong motivation አለ፣ ዲሲፕሊን አለ። ጠንካራ ሆናችሁ ህይወታችሁ ታሳካላችሁ፣ ሰዎችን ታድናላችሁ ማለት ነው። አመሰግናለሁ። thank you for coming. thank you.
ነውና አዲስ እረኛ ከብት ያስተኛ ይስጠኝ ጽናቱ እንጂ እኔም አልተኛ። ስምህ ማን ነው ይላሉ ጥያቄ ያበዛሉ። ከየት እንዴት እስከ ዛሬስ ወዴት ነበርክ ይላሉ። እኔም እቀጥላለሁ መልስ እሰጣቸዋለሁ። ዋናው እኔም መምጣቴ እናንተ መውደዳችሁ ነው።